Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution tutorial channel. In this video, I want to show you how to reclassify land use land cover raster value and attribute the table in ArcGIS. I promise I will show you step by step so that you understand it and understand the importance. So let's get started. In ArcGIS, I have this 2025 land use land cover map that has already been classified. If I click on the drop down, we can see the different values assigned to different classes. And the importance of reclassifying already classified image is that classification essentially depends on you, that is, the purpose for which you want to use the image for. For example, in this land use land cover map that has been classified, 1 represent water body, 2 represent trees, 4 represent flooded vegetation, 5 represent farmland, 7 represent built up areas, 8 represent bare land, 11 represent grassland, and so forth. Now you might want to consider all the, for example, the trees, the flooded vegetation, and the grassland. You may want to consider the tree as vegetation. So in that case, you will need to reclassify this. And to reclassify this raster, that is this land use land cover, to reclassify it and also attribute it, let me show you how to get that done. To do that, come to Arc Toolbox, come to Spatial Analyst tool, and then come to Reclass. Expand it, and you can see Reclassify. Double click to open the tool. When it's open, input raster. That will be our 2025 land use land cover. Then the reclass field will be value. Then here, click on classify. It will open this page. For example, I want to put together the trees, the flooded vegetation, the grassland, and the rangeland as vegetation. So then I'll have water body, I'll have farmland, I'll have built up area, I'll have best surface. So in that case, I'm going to have 5 classes. So here I will select the method as natural break and the classes will be 5. I have 5 classes, so I'll click on OK. Now if you look here, it will naturally or automatically arrange it like this, but we need to assign the old value and why it automatically assign the new value. So for example, the value 1 represent water body, so I want water body. Then 2 represent trees, 4 represent flooded vegetation, and 10 grassland, and 11 rangeland. So I want these 2, 4, 10, 11 to be together. So in that case, I'll come here, I'll write 2, then to separate this value from the next value, I'll put semicolon. Then the next one is 4. Then I'll separate it with semicolon. Then 10. I'll separate it again with semicolon, and 11. So what that means is that this raster value 2, 4, 10, and 11, they should be classified or reclassified together. So that is what it means, such that raster value 1 is assigned a new value 1. Then raster value 2, 4, 10, 11 will be assigned 2. Then the next one will be 5. This 5 is farmland. So here I'll put 5. It will be assigned 3. Then the next one is 7, and 7 is built up area. So here I will put 7. So the new value will be 4. Then the last one is 8, which is bare surface. So here I'll put 8. 8. So which means I have grouped, more like grouping all this raster value together into a single class. So after I've done this, then I'll have to save my output. I'll click here, navigate to my working folder. Let me name it Reclassify Land Use Land Cover. Then I will click on Save. Immediately I do that, you can see the arrangement such that the old value 1, which is water body, is assigned new value 1. Then the old value 2, which is trees, this 2 is assigned to 4, which is flooded vegetation, is assigned 2, which means they are now in the same class. And also 10 and 11 has also been assigned a new value 2, because I want these values to be in the same class. So you can see 2, 2, 2, 2 has been assigned to those I've grouped. And then 3 is for farmland, which was previously 5. And then 7, which is built up area, has been assigned 4. So we can see how it has been assigned new value. So I'll now click on OK to reclassify it. Then you will see the beauty of the output very soon. Yes, it has been reclassified. Let me uncheck this. So we can see the new value. Initially we are having about 10 classes. Now I have reclassified it into 5 classes. So now it's time for the second aspect, which is to attribute it. To attribute it, right click the new reclassify layer and click on open attributes table. Then we will need to add a new field to attribute it. So I'll add about 2 fields, one for attribution of class and the second one for calculation of area coverage. To do that, I'll click on table option and click on add field. Then I will name the field class, and then the type will be text. I can make the length, let's say 30, and click on OK. So the second field I want to add, I'll click on table option, click on add field, let's name it area, and then the type will be double, and click on OK. Now to attribute it, we are going to put it in editing mode. To do that, right click the layer, come to edit feature and click on start editing. So it is now in editing mode. So the first value, which is 1 here, is water body, and the second value, which is 2, remember we have reclassified, these 2 represent vegetation, so I will name it as vegetation. Then the third value, that third value corresponds to 5 here, so that third value is farmland, and these 4 represent built up area. Then the 5th value corresponds to 8 here, which is bare surface. So after I've done that, I want to calculate the area. So to calculate the area, right click and come to properties. We need to check the raster cell size. So when it's open, come to source. You can see the cell size is 10. So I can just copy it. Let's close this page. So to calculate the area, right click the top of the field and click on feed calculator. Then the area will be equal to, I'll open brackets, cell count multiplied by cell size, which is 10, multiplied by cell size again, which is 10, then close the bracket and all divided by 1 million. Divided by 1 million because I want to calculate in square kilometer. Then I'll click on OK. So the area for each class has been calculated. Now what I can do is to symbolize or style this map. So to do that, right click and come to properties. Then come under symbology, and the value we want to use, click here and select class. So we can see the class and we can reverse the sorting by right clicking and reverse sorting, so such that water body I can give it specific color, then vegetation I can give it this leaf green, the farmland I can give it this mango color, and the bare surface I can give it 40% gray, and the built up area let it be red. Then I'll click on OK. So you can see how I have already classify land use land cover into the new classes I want. So in essence, this is how to reclassify land use land cover raster value in ArcGIS and attribute it and also calculate the area. If you have any clarification or question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.